Hi, my name is Ashley with Carolina Floral Creations, and today we're making an artificial potted plant because if you're like me and can't keep real plants alive, well, then this is a great alternative for you. All right, so to fill the vase, I'm starting off by kind of filling the vase with a cardboard box from a 12-pack cans, and I'm going to put the floral foam on top of that. You can do this a different way and just fill the vase up with floral foam, but just to kind of cut down on that, I filled it up with the cardboard instead. So how I'm going to create this is starting off with the greenery first, and I'm going to keep the greenery like in its own section and then continue with all the other florals. Same idea of keeping them grouped together as I go along. I start with the largest florals, which are the hydrangeas, and then I kind of move on from the medium to the smaller ones to fill in. So I hope you enjoy. so this is kind of how it looks, and I hope that you enjoy it. I made this piece for my office, which towards the back, as you can see, I really didn't fill in just because it's going to be placed kind of against the wall. Not really anyone's going to see it. So this isn't really like a 360 view, but all the florals came together really well, and most of these florals can be found at Michael's, but this is what it looks like in my office.